Welcome back, folks. The time now is 7:22. Our sky cams across the area are showing 4 different stories. For most of us, we're seeing a lot of blue skies, some high cloud cover out there. But if you're further north, like Corinth, you're about 10 degrees cooler and under some very soaking rainfall this morning. Here's a look at the radar over the last half hour. You can see a big line of thunderstorms working its way through the state. The leading edge of that is where the primary wind concern is, down towards Verona, crossing over I-22 right now. Behind it, everything transitions into more of a flooding threat. We've got rain rates of about 1.5 inches to 2 inches per hour. So behind this line, you're going to want to take it slow, especially on the roads, because this water will pond up fast with how soaked the soil is. This line will continue towards the Golden Triangle by 11 a.m., crossing through. And again, this is just a model. I think this line could extend further west down towards Starkville and eventually Choctaw County. So again, just because if you don't see a storm over you on this model doesn't mean you won't see one today. And after this line moves on through, we will see a transition to a much more isolated thunderstorm activity in the afternoon. You can see how far apart these storms are. And again, this afternoon does look much more isolated. It could grow a little bit upscale into the evening hours. This model likes to think that the storms could get a little stronger into the evening than previously thought, but I think things will tend to wind down for us as we transition to more of a flooding threat through the morning and maybe a brief damaging wind gust or two this afternoon. After today, things will turn a lot better for us in terms of rainfall. We will see a big break in the rain chances for the next 6 days. We've got hit or miss shower chances. For most of us, we'll stay dry through the majority of the coming days ahead. A few of us may find ourselves under a shower, but that should be gone and will be sunny in about 30 minutes or so. And speaking of the sun, with all the added sunshine and a built-in high pressure, we'll see heat indexes rise quite quickly over the next few days. By Friday afternoon, I expect heat indexes around 100 degrees, and Saturday morning by 8 a.m. it'll already feel like the low to mid 90s out there. Saturday afternoon, once again cresting that 100 threshold for the heat index, and then Sunday morning by 8 a.m. we will see heat indexes in the upper 90s. So a big heat wave is coming, and that's going to be the case for the next week, even into July. It looks like we're going to be quite warm, Keely. Finally seeing that sunshine, finally getting that kind of forecast you've been asking for.
Yeah, it's a great one, Charlie. And look, this morning, Charlie had to get in early at 1, but you said you went to sleep at around 6 or so.
Yeah.
So me and you both kind of missed the LSU game last night.
Yes, and we were both shocked when we woke up.
So you told me, which I looked at the score, you told me, guys, I had to go back and watch that inning to see what it was all about.
Yeah.
But y'all, we've got more news coming up after the break. Stay with us.